Welcome to the mathematics class, complex numbers part 4. So, in previous classes we did some problems and discussed the concepts. So, the representation of a complex number in the form of a plus ib, and the definition of complex number, it is an ordered pair of a comma b where a b real numbers, and addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, the basic operations on complex numbers, and based on that some problems, and conjugate of a complex number. So far we completed all these concepts and problems based on that. Now coming to the very important concept in this chapter that is square root of a complex number. ఈ చాప్టర్లో చాలా ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి అంశం సంకీర్ణ సంఖ్య యొక్క వర్గమూలం కనుక్కోవడం. వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. Now look at this. If z is a complex number a plus ib, and the square root of a plus ib will be plus or minus under root a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I under root a square plus b square minus a by 2. So to simplify this, if you replace under root a square plus b square is equal to r, you can recollect. So this is the modulus of a given complex number. So in place of under root a square plus b square, if you write r, this becomes very simple to remember. ఇది గుర్తుంచుకోవడం కష్టం. దాన్ని సులభంగా గుర్తుంచుకోవడానికి r స్థానంలో ఏ అండర్ రూట్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్ స్థానంలో r రాసుకున్నట్టయితే it will be very easy and convenient for you to remember this square root formula. So the square root of a square b square is equal to, so this is a plus ib. Here by mistake it is under root a square, not a square plus b square. It is square root of a plus ib will be plus or minus so this is a plus ib. This is a plus ib. The square root of given complex number a plus ib a plus ib under root r plus a by 2 plus I under root r minus a by 2. So you can remember it very easy in this way. Now let us practice some problems based on this one. Find the square root of 7 plus 24i. 7 plus 24i యొక్క వర్గమూలం కనుక్కోండి. చాలా ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి విషయం. Now look at this. Let the given complex number z is equal to 7 plus 24i, and comparing this with the standard form a plus ib తో కంపేర్ చేయగా, here a value, the real part is 7 and the imaginary part is 24. Now let us find r value, that is under root a square plus b square. So here 7 square plus 24 square, that is equal to 7 square is 49 and 24 square is 576. You can calculate in rough also. So that is equal to 49 plus 576 is 625. So under root 625 is 25. Now r value is 25. So ఇచ్చినటువంటి సంకీర్ణ సంఖ్యను a ప్లస్ ib చే పోల్చి a వాల్యూ b వాల్యూ రాసుకున్న తర్వాత r is equal to under root a square plus b square వాల్యూ కనుక్కోవాలి. Now write the square root formula, that is a plus ib is equal to plus or minus under root r plus a by 2 plus I r minus a by 2. So substitute r and a values. So this is under root r value 25. So a value 7. So 25 plus 7 by 2 plus r minus a, 25 minus 7 by 2. Very simple. Plus or minus 25 plus 7 is 32. 32 by 2 under root. Now 25 minus 7 is 18. 18 by 2 under root. So further simplifying, 32 by 2 is 16 and 18 by 2 is 9, and further simplifying this one, this is the square root of the given number. 7 plus 24 I is equal to plus or minus 4 plus I3 or 3I. 4 plus I3 or 3I. So this is how we find the square root. First write down a b values, real, imaginary, then find out the r value under root a square b square, then substitute r and a values in the formula, you will get the answer. Let us practice one more problem. Find the square root of 3 plus 4i. Now let the given complex number 3 plus 4i, z is equal to 3 plus 4i. Comparing this with the standard form a plus ib, a plus ib చే దీన్ని పోల్చగా ఇక్కడ రియల్ పార్ట్ a వాల్యూ 3 అవుతుంది, ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్ b వాల్యూ 4 అవుతుంది ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్. సో కంపేరింగ్ దిస్ ఇది స్టాండర్డ్ ప్రామాణిక రూపంతో పోల్చి ab వాల్యూస్ రాసిన తర్వాత నౌ లెట్ us find r value under root a square plus b square. So that is 3 square plus 4 square, that will be 9 plus 16, that is 25. Therefore, R value is 5, root 25 is 5. Now let us write the square root formula for any complex number a plus ib. The square root is under root r plus a by 2 plus I into under root r minus a by 2. So substituting r and a values here, under root r value is 5 and a value is 3. 5 plus 3 by 2 under root 5 minus 3 by 2. Further simplifying, so this will be 5 plus 3 8 by 2 under root plus 5 minus 3 2 by 2 under root 2 by 2. So further simplifying, 8 by 2 is 4, 2 by 2 is 1. So further simplifying, so root 4 is 2 and root 1 is 1, and you need not write 1. So here the square root of given 3 plus 4i complex number is plus or minus 2 plus I. So you can practice more number of problems. This is very, very important, how to find square root of a given complex number. వర్గమూలం కనుక్కోవడం చాలా ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి విషయం సంకీర్ణ సంఖ్యలలో. Very, very simple. You practice more number of problems. First write AB values, then find R value, and then write the formula, substitute R and A, you will get the answer. Next, let us go for some other problem. Now look at this problem. If a plus bi whole square is equal to x plus iy, then find x square plus y square. Now I am writing the condition. ఇచ్చినటువంటి నియమాన్ని ముందుగా రాసుకుందాం. So this is the given condition. Now expanding this one, a plus b whole square లాగా దీన్ని విస్తరిస్తే a square plus 2abi plus b square I square is equal to x plus iy. So this is a square. Now I am writing I into 2ab. So this is b square, I square value is minus 1, since I square is equal to minus 1. So I am writing b square minus 1 will become minus b square. So a square minus b square together, real part. వాస్తవ భాగాలు కల్పిత భాగాలను విడిగా రాస్తున్నాం, separating, and so right side is same, I plus x plus iy. Now comparing real and imaginary parts, comparing real part and imaginary part, both sides, ఇరువైపులా వాస్తవ కల్పిత భాగాలను పోల్చగా. comparing real and imaginary parts both sides, we get real part left side emundi a square minus b square, so right side x, imaginary part 2ab, left side, right side y, so this is x value, this is y value. Comparing real imaginary parts, we get x and y values. Now we have to find the value of x square plus y square, so this we have to find. So in place of x and y, substitute these values. X is a square minus b square, so a square, this is a square minus b square, a square minus b square, so this x square, plus y square, y value is 2ab, so this is y square, and expanding this with a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square సూత్ర రూపంలో విస్తరిస్తే a square plus b square minus 2ab, సో ఇది స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే 4a square b square అవుతుంది. సో ఇవి లైక్ టర్మ్స్, this is a square whole square, b square whole square minus 2a square b square plus 4a square b square will become 2a square b square. You observe this one, this is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab form. ఇది a square b square 2ab రూపంలో ఉంది. సో ఇది a plus b whole square అంటే here a square plus b square whole square అవుతుంది. So this is the value of x square plus y square is a square plus b square. So very simple problem, a square plus b square, x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square whole square. Look at this. First write down the given condition and expand left side and separate real and imaginary parts, and you will get x and y values, and substitute x and y value and simplify, you will get the answer. Very simple. So let us take up one more problem. Now look at this, I am writing the question, given condition, x plus iy is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. అయితే 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0 అని చూపాలి. Now just recollect, 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2, and sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Just you recollect this formula from first year. Now I am writing in place of 1 plus cos theta as 2 cos square theta by 2. So in place of sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 in first step. So 1 by 2 cos theta by 2, I am taking common in denominator. హారంలో 2 cos theta by 2ను కామన్ తీస్తే ఇక్కడ cos theta by 2 ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ I sin theta by 2 మిగులుతుంది. సో rationalizing with cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 చే అకరణీయం చేయగా, సో ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్లో ప్లస్ అంటే మనం మైనస్ తీసుకొని అకరణీయం చేస్తాం. రేషనలైజింగ్, we use this rationalizing in many problems. So now rationalizing this one, so 1 into numerator will be cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2. So in denominator it is in the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b, you write cos theta by 2 as it is. So multiplying these two, it is a square minus b square. So this is cos square theta by 2 plus minus a square minus b square. So minus I square sin square theta by 2, this is b square. I square minus, as I square is minus 1, since I square is equal to minus 1, now numerator as it is, no change in the numerator. So this is cos theta by 2. So this becomes cos square theta by 2 and minus into minus plus sin square theta by 2. So this is 1, since cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So this becomes 1, and separating real and imaginary parts. So this is cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 by 2 cos theta by 2, 1. So separating the denominator, so this is 2 cos theta by 2 and minus I sin theta by 2 by 2 cos theta by 2. So this is cos will get cancelled, and this becomes 1 by 2. So this becomes 1 by 2. Now you can take another one. You can take this one. I am writing the last step here. Cos theta by 2 by 2 cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 by 2 cos theta by 2. So this is 1 by 2 minus I tan theta by 2 by 2. So this is the left side is x plus iy is equal to 1 by 2 minus I into tan theta by 2 by 2. Now comparing real parts both sides, I am interested in only real part. ఇరువైపులా వాస్తవ భాగాన్ని పోల్చగా we get x is equal to 1 by 2 and cross multiplying this will give us 2x is equal to 1. Now squaring both sides, 2x is equal to 1, squaring both sides, ఇరువైపులా వర్గం చేస్తే ఇరువైపులా వర్గం చేయగా this is 4x square and 1 square is 1 and you can write 1 left side, x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the required condition. So what is required? 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0. We have to prove. Now look at this, very simple. First taking the given condition and 1 plus cos theta, you write 2 cos square theta and sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 and taking 2 cos theta by 2 common, then rationalize and further simplifying you will get the required answer. And comparing real and imaginary parts, we get x is equal to 1 by 2. So cross multiplying, 2x is equal to 1, that is 4x square is equal to 1, 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the required condition. Now you can take down this assignment. Find the square root of first bit minus 8 minus 6i and second bit minus 5 plus 12i. Very important concept in this chapter, square root. You practice more number of problems so that it will be easy for you. ఇవి తప్పకుండా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. So this is almost similar to the previous question. X plus iy is equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Then show that x square plus y square is equal to 4x minus 3. I think you have understood. So do practice all these homework assignment questions. And thank you for watching this video. So complete this and prepare your notes. Be regular, follow all parts right from the beginning. Thank you.